Alright, so we have to take out the heads off this motor. As you can see, hit the piston, but not that much. It's the little things. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fix the heads. All the valves are bent. I'm gonna go take in and show you. Alright, so here's the damage right here. This is the reason why the wasn't making no compression. At the end, we ended up tearing the whole engine apart. This is the left side, which is the driver's side, and this one's the passenger side. The damage on the piston, like on the top of the piston, is not too bad. So it barely touched it, kissed the top of them, so it's pretty good. Should still be able to use that. And all right, so we had to go deeper, and this is what we found. We got bent valves. These are actually two of the good ones. Let me get the other ones. There you go. That's what we got. So it was a little bit worse than what I thought. I thought it was gonna be just maybe the chains. I was hoping it was gonna be the chains, but it's what it is. Bent valves. Now all we gotta do is just clean the heads up, get new valves, put them on, reseat them, get all this set up, and the truck should start. On the pistons themselves, the heads, it just barely kissed them, so it's not too bad. I don't think there's any damage on the bottom. Everything works fine. The pistons go up and down, and they're the same height and everything, so it should be good. So wait until the next video when we're putting everything back together, so you can see how we do it. Of course, we don't have all the tools here. This is not what I do every day, but this is what we have. Got that there. Got the intake there. We have the cams. And we'll go from there.